we got a mother ben, we got wajiban, Lina Parek. Lina Parek, critic of the system, and the Panchol Canada. So, and a jam kawek once again. Whereby, jam uncle, yan chachak, king of truth, king of truth, Uncle Elena Yang, General Uncle Elena Yang. Achi jam. Kwa Uncle Elena Yang, of course, kay kalwel aka goror jwejeria bi kalwel. Kag Uncle Lew kay kalwel aka goror jwejeria bi kalwel. And Uncle Lew is always honest. Okay, kalwel aka we book ping the young people. Okay, so Uncle Lew always relate to all of us because kay kalwel aka goror kok riaj bi kalwel. So yan anje dai kwa kaju jajiban bay. Kaju jajiban bay ko good. What are the speech of Uncle Lew? Kachemo fruit belwel kia kwa chene today and all that kind of stuff. First of all, we belwela I think kachi Uncle Lew kachelwel kachayich. Kai koge ya kaman they went as far as connecting me ke Uncle Lew saying nguyen ke kachili na pare kachelwel and kachol Uncle Lew la jam kia. Yeni Alina Parek, General Elena Yang, at Alina Parek chok. Kuyen kaji wear up, akega mushkila, akega bol milk, kachi witch, kuyen na de kolu kai wear up then. Fayana bata kan mabaluela, Uncle Elena Yang, speed age, from the very beginning until the end, I think Uncle Lew kuchilwel kichayich. Okay, whether it was historically, whether كتلويل كان علينا يعني. Of course I have seen زول الكبير المعروف أنا بحترمه جدا Honorable Atanyuak try to justify that question the begging getting because flip-flopping sometimes إيران جولا دونيت halfway but Uncle Lew watching كتلويل كتلويل بنتدي بولميل كتشان Uncle Lew كتلويل أتفهم محله. First of all, Uncle Lew ache muhtaj ino kubulwel kachilwel kachentede. Lena wal haja Uncle Lew is a free man. Uncle Lew tarikh de angich kwache tarikh de mabalwel takan. Lakin Uncle Lew rajul manadil, rajul fearless, rajul kage kalwel aka roriaj bi kalwel kwachi Uncle Lew ache kalwel fi speech bitaw kwachin kana tinke qalatin kacheyi je kubulwel alena yan ko kaje wa rap Catalina parechok yana chiranta yacho wengijan. I have been a government critic, I have been in opposition min 2018 and I have been a critic min 2015. So yana che muhtaja I have been a critic for a very long time. So kerejin walaka kege khalis etok dere ke grow Uncle Lew adek tarikh tino wogu bin og junubin kwerante ko pay ko era na wonne na اختفر بيوش جدا كويس يعني فخورين بيو جدا. I can say that, can I speak right now because I'm so excited كويس نحنا فخورين بيو جدا لأنه Uncle Lew تجامن ووك شباب ويريليت تجامده because كي كلويل أكوي بوكابين. Uncle Lew رجل معروف إنه ينأتي جام بمصلحة كويسة تيت إنه كبجام في زمن المناسب. حقيقة يلويل في زمن المناسب من غير خوف. أكون لنا يعني كاكن. فأنا هاخد الغنية ده وبعد كده حواصل. Okay, da Uncle Lena Yang رجل مناضل رانجو كايوي بن هو عمره 28 سنة اتودك فاهم السياسة أجي رون كان في جبهة أجي كامل جنوب السودان أجي رانا الكلو اليج بانشول جنوب كريوج كتين أجي رانا الكلو اليج كتيوك ودن يج فأنكل ليو زول معروف بقول الحقيقة that majority of politicians في South Sudan are not ready to say. Da Uncle Lena Yang right there. Under the Regulek, I salute you from here. Let me salute you with this arm. I salute you, Bandit Uncle Lena Yang. I salute you for always stating the truth, for always speaking up your mind, for always putting the light where the truth is. The people of South Sudan, majority of the time, relate to you and do agree with your statements in times where the truth is not there. So, Uncle Leo, I salute you from here. Fa joko wel to ten. Now in one speech Uncle Leo en Chilwell in Chika Juja Pai Jika Kai would have ping speech key. Let me find the speech. Speech key.
Na ping bol me la ke je mari la ke mari ka kam sin sana. La ko bol me alana shi wali ga chuma yo ya ko la da ya chabol camping chakwa ni camping lo na de ke ani shi ban dawo da ke na bla la ni ki ga ni da ko bol me ki
Okay, can in a speech in Chiancola Lewan Chigam, in a speech a Kajalwella, in Alena Yank Jalwella Chentide. Kuya Lina break ata alena yanja ine jok so ana wala wek hasa halian inu Uncle Leo ache muhtaj kachidi Lina break. Okay, Uncle Anna Uncle Leo chila jaba koya choga Lina break acham jaba le again iyena kana na buya da year. Uncle Leo is a man of history, is a man chilibika tarikh de chilibika lo erased, is a king of truth. Kwa chika jujaje kaluel for social media ten kangi juke kachiankol kaleu kachikaluel in time that truth is difficult to be said. So kene kangi kwa chike kaluel ashanu yen to keep himself relevant lakina aye kaluel choka deal because a wike bakaluel. So kayana we balaka kayi jam kia withdraw your statements and kaleu kachiluel in a heat and I will back it up why in a need. Uncle Leo fi speech bitaw achilwele ranchol bolmel dake. Wek shabab junuba Sudan dake ranchol bolmel. Bolmel achile brolo ke yebany kirma yadi da pir kuna yen chi kirma yadi chile again wada da no yen bany kabi again. Getting so kawena wi bale wek hasa haliyan kalam mudasah. Kan ya Paul beya yineki. Let me play this recording to Bolmel himself and I will continue from there. And please share the video. Don't worry, this video you can share.
To you, to each of you, our leaders, we humbly ask for your blessings and prayers. I promise that I will not let you down. I will carry the mission and the vision of the SPLM with the same conviction that you instilled in me from the bush until this very movement. I will stand by you, support and protect you from any humiliation, whether external or internal, and ensure that your legacy is remembered forever.
Can a speech Bolmel? Where speech talk from the speeches Kashi Bolmel Kachakagam. Na Bolmel adanum to read speech. Could read speech kage elazambako weben, but tonkene elazambagoy kujari and kotu bakajala wirod. Speech a well and chikir mayali chen Bolmel tell a point ke second vice. The pingin is speaking very carefully, achi vice and jam. A bang in a jam. Okay. Second speech ranchol Bolmel bardu in Cheja Bay. In German Kabajala to his office. The pingin that speech that also should tell you a lot. Okay? So apa dunu akene video kan wo tina bol mel kapa da pa di dunu kuba wo mashi. So kapa da pa di de okay kapa da pa di dunu kuba wo another video in a video matino kan okay is speak in chibol mel in chigam so speak kene ayelwela yin bankir mayadi dam ko kedin I will protect you. I will defend you from external threats and internal threats. Okay. First of all, kirmayadi de bany. Ko kirmayadi de chin katakai. Ko kirmayadi de chebe ke vice. Okay. So why does Bonmil feel yen kababanya bulu protect from what? Yene kwany babanya bulu protect. E kwany ke private security le ban kirmayadi yene kwany be kirmayadi belu protect from external and internal threats. The internal threat loret internal taban e Junuba Sudan e ungi bolmil kaburo loy fi dakhil Junuba Sudan in be pir kirmayadi de beta war risk that he feels that yen kabukir mayadi kabulu protect. Also actually from external threats. Okay, well, kakir mayadi hello kwa bolmel kubi bol babalu protect from external and internal threat. How? Getting the haja. And haja tani actually I will stand by you. Okay, I will stand by you. Ko babalui played again. Ba ping a pot ashan bichil wa loin way. Lazim ba ping a pot bichil wa loin way.
To you, to each of you, our leaders, we humbly ask for your blessings and prayers. I promise that I will not let you down. I will carry the mission and the vision of the SPLM with the same conviction that you instilled in me from the bush until this very movement. I will stand by you, support and protect you from any humiliation, whether external or internal, and ensure that your legacy is remembered forever.
Okay, actually I will protect you from humiliation and I will carry on your legacy forever. A humiliation bila bentano. Kir mayadid e ban Junuba Sudan. Okay? Ko kir mayadid لحد ما نحن عارفين أيوة نعم كده مشكلة في صحته أيوة نعم كده مشكلة في mobility دقل مشكلة في المشي كي ودنو ينا كلهم في الطيارة ده حاجة معروف أشياء وجن ديوب ولا أي حاجة لكن ودنو ينا مشكلة في mobility ko mobility ده أشياء ينا pain إنه بيشوك بين so basically عشان ينو بيشوك بين you have to be incapable cognitively mentally يعني لكن بنكير على حسب ان احنا عارفينه هسه حاليا انه يعني مشكله في mobility وقت في treatment okay so اذا كبنكير امور كده قالوا diagnosed and we have not arrived to a point where you cognitively actually fit كوبيا بين also يا برضو actually report تبان بي يلوين بنكير بياديد actually physically unfit to lead okay so Ranjol Bolmil ayelwel kulwela I will protect you and defend you from external and internal. Okay? I will defend and protect your legacy and I will protect you from what do you want? From humiliation. Aywa. So a humiliation bala bento no. Bain kir mayadid. Ena chi kwany by advice ye ko chen. Tedegen kire yukan yop yen kabila kwany wale na chi kwany kuta win fi economic cluster akini taw kayi direct kayi private security lena private security already kade guards keti den okay bolmil actually appointed kayi vice kayi ran economic cluster e nguna alaka de in protecting Kir Mayadid. Enguna alaka de in protecting Kir Mayadid from harassment, from humiliation. A humiliation bula bento no. Hell, Junubin Kebelu humiliation, but been outside, I have no idea. Which makes Kichalwell one day to be correct. Because the Mankir Mayadi was sick a few weeks ago, there were rumors that were coming out that Kir Mayadid and rest in peace. And later on, the Maluka investigated. Achiba Yoguru ran Loyen Eranchol Bolmil. Bolmil was the one that was leaking out the information that Ranchol Kirmayadi that Buba, Kuranchol Kirmayadi that and then people Fidawala Jawar started to Ebaraku Junuba Sudan, Weigulu, rest in peace, President Kirmayadi. Bolmil was the same person that was giving the speech that I will protect you, and I will protect your legacy, and I will protect you from humiliation, as even Kirmayadi Kato. Getting as even Yen Katiban Banyu already, and now that he has to defend Banyana currently incapable, which is Kirmayadi, incapable leader, because Yen and Luyan protect. So this speech here, Edrochi uncle General Alena Yang, Edno Chenja White threaten. Is speaking a gamma job bull milban ko pung. Engati pung at that time. Who was not listening? All of us were listening. And what Bull said absolutely explains only that. Little, what kind of a speech is that? What kind of a speech is that? An economic cluster. And instead of him talking about economy, and instead of him talking about how economy is going to go ahead and move forward, Kalepol, Kulejam, Kirmayadid. Okay, so if the key bany lew kujolwel kulela wegle dakke work shabab Junuba Sudan dakke ranjol bolmil yeting bichugu jam as if yen he's becoming the president. So it no change why because what kind of speech is that? What kind of a speech? And chi bolmil into gam ke kadang na mabika and ke second vice president. Okay, what kind of a speech to being again in Chigamkala to his office? Kweniki, another speech key. So, Etonotin in Chira and Choralena Yang and Jaja Whiten. Where been what you put? I have no idea if a tiny work was in that because a tiny work actually we missed. Okay, so I'm not sure if a tiny work was there when Ranjol Bolmil was giving this speech. How do you translate that speech in Banyatanya work? How do you translate that speech? Okay. So now, now Bolmil is not the only vice president. Bolmil is not the only vice president. Nyandeng a vice president. Okay. And she never, ever gave a speech. And she never gave a speech in Chibol Melenchagam. Ranjol Hussein Abdul Baghi, a vice, watching his speech, Chekagam Kia. Okay? Ranjol, Kwemonjang Bardo. Okay? Ranjol Taban Dengai, watching his speech, Chekagam Kia. Lenu Yerangi Gachagam, a Chibake vice, Kodek position Mayan Chetathan, Kwe position Mayan Kenebella Luithin. Aki can intervene kege Kirmayadi affairs. Whether Kirmayadi is incapable, whether Kirmayadi need to be protected, whether Kirmayadi need to legacy the blue protect. Why do you protect somebody's legacy while he's still alive, while he's still the president of South Sudan? Okay? Why? So, and why do you feel like you can protect from embarrassment? It no better loithin. Yeti a bolmile to yen. Bolmile in situation and take it in. Bolmile and yen a moo yen a can and brolu kichol Kirmayadid. I shall be Kirmayadi blue protect from. A yen ye. Lakin the vice Kichiban prior to him, Akikam Jamkia. Because Kiganike, what I don't know Kirmayadid is highly capable, who Kirmayadid upon Junuba Sudan. Kukir Mayadid Kegabanata Yecho, Kwalo Londer, Kukir Mayadid is the commander-in-chief of South Sudan. Okay? Current commander-in-chief of South Sudan. Okay? Kwayena president of South Sudan. So, to noten, Ebole Mill and Elwelga, we Bukir Mayadid, blue protect from embarrassment. Okay, it not in a ball my bell million legacy. A kirmaya de blue protect. While we alone day, a economic cluster. Chigala rom to know. See, so kage that speech alone is a problem. Alwell Galui dissect, okay, Alwell Galui break down, it doesn't make sense. Here and all the work, I check on Louis for presidency before. I Louis for Asher Senna and the secretary, but our president Kir Mayadid. Okay, there was never any time she I tell you what Kang Benbei and give a speech as if you know Ben Kir Mayadid Katwine, or as if you know Ben Kir Mayadid is not responsive, or as if you know Ben Kir Mayadid Kato, all right, and is incapable kuba Ben. Atanyawaga Kirito Kang Waju one day. So I'm not sure hele wachi ataywa Kenya liuben yimatin or ken ali maktaba yimatin ali position yimatin somehow is supporting kachi atanywa kachi lukadan kachi bol mil kachi luel. I am not sure, but somehow there is something fishy in that statement of which atanywa is supporting. Lenu really I can report to Benbei what are there in Ranchol Kir Mayadid is not fit medically, could be a. So what was Bolmil actually stating? So Ranchol General Alena Yang, I think Kichuluel Kichayik Aliu. So the speech is cardiac, Kichi Ranchol Bolmil Kichigagam, I tell you for the whole. Okay? So isn't here Tinekaja Winnie Edwella Ranchol Alena Yang can wrong? Please withdraw that. It is Bolmil in General Sarabitok. Bolmil talk in General Sarabitok. Kuranchol Alena Yang is the king of truth. Get that right. King of truth. Achera and a win Libuel Kalibijam anyhow. Era and a jambi Beluel because my father. Because at this age, there is no reason Libir Anjol Alena Ayay Beni Chulwell. Alena Ayay Maruf Kirana Jamiyith. Okay? So that is that. Now let's come to more evident to why Era Anjol Bolmil Blue behave Kay Bany already. Koja Kangwell yesterday. Ajale Weg Ranchol Bolmil, the reason why he was sanctioned recently, the reason why he was sanctioned in 2017, and the reason why he was sanctioned again in April 17, feasible. Ajale Weg Ranchol Bolmil, Aji Hokuma, Western world, Lahua America, Ubagedoual, Aji Yogunayen, he has connection to Russia, in particular organized group called Wangler. So Bolmil has been trained and has been in contact with that group. So Bol was preparing the people of South Sudan to make people of South Sudan think and know that in the end, because Kir Mayadid somehow is dying and Kir Mayadid somehow is incompetent to continue as a leader. Okay? That was the speech and that's the reality. Also, Adeka Yelwele Bol Kachi Lumen Yen Kale successor. And yet, Achakwalu revealed. But I actually disagree with that. The reality, Wadinu Boli Chogadin, the excitement in him, Wijan Biabang, Achapolinu Bakachulu hide. Bol really, Achiragwa Yuka Yabang automatically, based on his behaviors, based on his speech, and based on his even protection to teamwork. Bolmil ana maarif lo halgal video da Leno, it has been a while since I shared it. Can I let me see if I can find it for my page here da lo video da list a guide. Let me see lo video da list a guide. Let me see. Let me see. Look, video is a guide. Bear with me. I'm almost there. Almost there, guys. Let me see if I can find it because I shared it at one point. Aywa, Yahuda. Aywa. ده ياهو بولميل إتو شوفتو كي بولميل لوي تكن كني أكين وانيغا كي كان لوي أكين تابان دينغا كي كان لوي أكين ماما نياندينغا كي كان لوي أكين انغادد yes أكين وانيغا أكي كان لوي and this is بولميل okay يعني تو لما تشوف الفيديو ده كدرا لويلين ودا دين بول started to behave as even وكينا بين الكلام ده ممكن ننكره الكلام اللي بالو نكره ده حقيقة اوكي ده حقيقة الحاجة تاني برضو ريك مشار himself ريك مشار أكين speech تكانغام على أساس إنه رانجول كير مياديد is incompetent أكين speech شي ريك مشار تكانغام as even رانجول كير مياديد هتو or as even كير مياديد أدك برلو ين therefore legacy كير مياديد must be protected and Kir Mayadi must be protected from harassment or from embarrassment, or Kir Mayadi must be protected from whatever the case is. Alright? Ranchol Riek Machar, even though Riek Machar opposition, lakin there is no any occasion. And Chigi Riek Machar and Chen can we behave as even we in a president. Riek Machar have always respected the agreement and respected his brotherhood Kir Mayadid aki kan lu behave kia so bolmil في الفيديو ده تاga gam chogadil no wana lena yanke yich taaga gam ay wana am we mon jen kwa we gam yida chaake gam lakin ayaga jallo gam bat for the one but right now hell ranchol general alena yan kalamu sah wala ma sah whether ma بعرف إنه رانجول تاني work is he watching رانجول بولميل ولا إنه ين إرحابات كان كلها لوكيك عجلة بقلبلا رهم كي رانجول بولميل وقضوا القضية وانتهى الموضوع فبيجا ما بيشوف كنا كوتين أوكي فأنا ما بعرف لكن هو فعلا لو بيشوف إذن كبو رانجول أنكول علينا أيين أجن كتير كشي صح الحاجة تاني إنه رانجول بولميل أوج بكشي كاي كوك كشي كان لو في التاريخ أوكي أدك لو بولميل ككيرا كان لو في التاريخ أمين كشيرا لو في التاريخ كشي كاي كوك كشي لو أول حاجة بولميل ألو كشي كده نعجو مودي سلطان سعودي ويبان حسا ويبان كيبان يموجو لوي كشي لوي أول حاجة جورناليست معروف that was a critic للحكومة بتاع السعودية رانجن أجنوك عشان بس to prove to the people إنه يعني بان وده حاجة قديم حاجة بان كلوي بان تبيكك you want to prove yourself so أنت بتعمل حاجات فرانجن أجنا تنقولين كصحفي معروف صحفي ده بناقد كده أجنا تنقولناك عشان إنه بيوت كجبس إنه هو زول قوي كوير على بكايريون أجلوي also رانجول كيم جانون كيم أجلا تنقولين كولene برضو كتفي وزارة الدفاع زول إكايريوج كيم جانون أجلا تنمبي ونين أجلا تنقولين كران ولene إنك عشان to create scarcity to create fear to create إنه يعني تقولين بنيا bah فكني أكاجي بانكلوي عشان إنه كبي كايريوج kene eke bol mela I think dial coin and got into his head rande renjeloi Bashar al-Assad ci woni kan didi ci nok okay ko Bashar ngeke kan dictator asnan zol shik ma ino alaka بالسياسة لكن لما لكي لاجين كينا بيا بين كلازم يجيبوا كلازم ناس يخافوا منك وش بالوي أجبنا تموتين كوني كنك عشان يخوف الناس ويبين شخصيته وكده وعشان يسمعوا ويعمل جاي لهيبة أشي بشار الأسد أشي بالوي قتل أخوه فرانجول بولميل كتلوي لما بيكين and كوين كين vice right away وده برضو من الدلة ينوض إنه كلويل أنكونا ليه كشلوي ده يج Alright? Bonda mambika yen kache jog tawali e katil. And here I have to also respond to my beloved sister and a woman I respect so much, Madam Teresa. Madam Teresa chaki ونفس السؤال إنه لينا يبين الدليل بيثبت إنه ين إتلاب تقول كده على بول من. فهير فبول أبا بهني ودار يثبت وجوده ودار يثبت قوته. So na mbiye na nguchu loy achila tunkuchen jogo tong tawali biya tong ina rip fi Nasser. Okay, kulab bol lekin fi nafsa kazalik lekin kuchen kadang lekabay fi Uganda. Lenu South Sudan was under embargo. Okay, chen kadang achila kulabay and he involved fully fi tong Nasser. Ira medinu tong Nasser mo fruto bijino alaka ke tong khalis lene rani economic cluster. Lakini achilu involved lena wubi nyot junubin wada dan yana ci bana banye wendu guwa kwe lazima ku baping tok. Okay, so bola junu engage fi harbi da Nasser kene nyuwa no bole kati la sasan. Okay, fa kene ke ci bolo ken da dan ci bolen ci ba loya bardo shanes bil kalam da bol kaman a ci bana tungu dakhal fi shuhun bita bilba ko kene ci londe khalis kene ci londe khalis. لكن بول برضو يتدخل عشان نلقوا بنيوض ولا ده إنه ين كدقريال دليل على ذلك إنكي here is one of the speech I just can't do it yesterday come back to it again to prove my point to you. Where is it? I think this is it. Okay, here.
Back to agricultural program. Can tell Donald Trump, you will hear this word from me. We are fighting terrorists. And fighting terrorists is all over the world. We will all name you a terrorist, even if you are dick, and we all need the guns. And we don't need land cruisers to see where you are. And you will not attack us, you will not see us. So it is better to give us your weapons so that the country will be safe.
Okay. The safety of country Achelonde. Alone Minister of Defense, alone Chief of Staff, alone National Security Achelonde. Londe enen Iran economic cluster. Londe how can the country move forward economically, develop jobs and do all of that. Alright? ولو بقى عنده علاقة ارتكاك كوبجا في حياة تانية لكن أنا بعرفه تماما إنه ما عنده علاقة بالحتة دي خالص لكن ينا جلبا كل دخل في شؤون كي okay في إنه ين دهن عدم كبيكاتشن في إنه ين we will deal with you as a terrorist group في إنه ين we will bomb you from the top لأن ينا يلوي قال it does not need land cruiser يعني ينبو يوك we will see you and you will not see us. Meaning, us, he's coming from the top. So, can I tell you? Lakin kagabin mayudun inu ranjol bol mel ababanyi kaya banyi already. Kachinyi nakir kachinyai already. Alright? Can I tell you? Khalis. Achelonde khalis. See? But kagabin ayenyuwa inu yena ababanyi kaya banyi. Getting yena an economic cluster. Muna alaga de keka kidlu keka ben. Alright? Lakin da alright, no, it's not everyone's job, my dear. No. Kudu zo leo department bitaw. Ko bol mil masha dakhal fi department chekide. I would naama de gale bidu argue kulel no economic cluster must have a security and blue function. Ze mahugal fi one of the speech in one I cannot make you guys money if the country is not secure. Okay, yes, he can talk to them to find out how can the country be more secure to invite investors and to come invest in South Sudan. Lakini achi alone day to how that security is going to take place. Achi alone day how is going to happen. Chatting achi alone day. Lakini masha dakhal filon chi alone day. All right, abi alwel ga budang buka dong be kachin gadi buka moj gadi ko ngana terrace ko ngache terrace kage bana kaga kiro akaga bolmel. Okay, mashi kene ache londe khalis ache londe Tape to join by jam for security, kwa jam then buka domba ikachin kada, buka imoy nyal kada, buka imoy pin kada, buka lu deal kege terrorist group kada. To join I loan the tab na ye loan a pol ngang loan de kan. Chief of staff. Loan defense minister loan de kan. Loan security, national security, loan de kan. Alright? Loan kai kage loan de nengo. If you go and bowl a milk, you're back, Ben, go back, Jamaica, Kika, Tabernazel, Joholum Shuno assassin. See? That girl get a command ball million do more than 6 titles before Kin and Ben. Getting? And now that you know Ben, go back to Muchenka Lon Jello Loide, Bigo Gam Cake. So Kaka Ben Akage, you want what are the ball mill rush enough so, Inuyan Fell and Kabaka be a bang, Kubi, Kuchenka Junubin, Red Cake, Kugam Fallon. Getting? So if Ranjol General Lena Yangal Kida, Kayana chatting. Yana chatting it no in chi akola lew in chela wrong. Okay? It no chela wrong. So a speech well, it was based on the Chibol Mill Jamton. It was based on how Chibol Mill and Chelu behave. Ko videos bana chakanyu with video you are the jogadil, eno bol mill aba kaya mutakit what are they in Fallon a bang what are they Fallon he's going to be the successor of Kir, what are they no Kir to new, what are they no Kir is incompetent, what are they no Kir is going to die, okay, what are they in his job is to protect Kir from embarrassment, protect Kir legacy. Yeah, imagine you are protecting somebody legacy karan work you. The person is still alive. Why do you protect somebody's legacy? And he's still alive. And he's still doing his duties as a president of the country. I want you to protect my legacy. Is Kir incompetent to protect his legacy? So Kagaben, aya yogunu kawanchi banya lew kuchiluel atafi mahallu 100%. Achin the he ranchol ankola lew chera anchol bolemel chera tahamu tiham قاطع إنما إنه ده حقيقة فعلا behaviors bolemel prove ذلك kwacha katwa itina wegabin kwacha katin wegabin okay uyina mela bunin da yana taken. So I hope I benefit lock and tembela make sure katem complete sentence I get to win the wibupola coin kunyanga bagway because the video is going to be here. So go way by rancho Lena Yang, General Lena Yang, I think Kachiluel Kachi today. Kachikalwell Benasa. Kuchi Junubu Ben Kachiting Bol Mill Bobby Ben age. Bol Mill at Ben and started to behave as even when he's the president. Bol Mill came and behaved as if he's a successor. Bol Mill came to a deal. Kuletini Abardu, Kuchenka, East Africa. People that are very known in East Africa look use to leak out information what are the Kirmayadi the Kito and started putting condolences out what are they in Kirmayadi Kito. Bolman was behind all of that. Will protect you and I will protect your legacy while Kirmayadi is still alive. This is where in it and pretending like already. So I hope that part is very nice and clear. And Bolmil, of course, from the information from Wengler, information from the previous history, leaders he really thought he can get away with it in South Sudan. So kayani kana chi time pio kwa chimi junubi na chike kwenye. Ranchol Kirmayadi ina begam because Ranchol Kirmayadi ina wijen kubaya kadang. Ina wijen kubaya kube war. Aye Kirmayadi dikan kabaya mushkila de. So now let's go back to kanye luel kulwelela la bolmel kaman. Getting bolmel kaman ko kaj ke juro jod yilina pareka midwarap ko kaje wi acha kan we explain ko one enu kene achino malaka ke bolmel ke tidan biyentin tidan biyentin achi mit pi japa dide achi bantin ko achi luitin ko ranjiro janial ke da mafi e bolmel tok en chikaro janial kide dalil ala zalik ino bol mel cho dil kwada banye ben ku jerka ro nyal kede e ya banye won kide nyal gam so ku bole ya kamban e ya nyuwa no bole ka juche kalia ko de ka juche ka loy chi ka junu pi chen ka ko yen so in that case aya yokono kane atanyinde bole ya kamban ku ka bagdedi ino bol not only he behave kay ban lakini cha kang tari we ko ba tari we ka matino kane keting bol ay tene ka yelwe gal bol ke bu mi wara bi ko yene waren chwar to kire mi wara tene ke chwar o jang bare chwar we do not say no bol mel kene only chwar the whole South Sudan majority of the match war ben okay majority of the men at chwar so che chwere bol mel el bi jabelo kene mohem lakin the problem was in a bol mel of his own kind e bol tok en che lo sanction for 2017 ka yedwe panchol America ben ka businesses ben ka loy ben ka ngai tok ten ko bela tin ku chen ka 80,000 ben toj etok ku chen ka fake businesses ben ka ngai tok yen ke ben ka we ben ka ya ka da ben ka ya America ula ko dam ke ye chen the same bol bardu en tibela tin ku chen ka 4 million ben ka toj lastly fi a bank fi New York ka ka to ke be another business loy which and Malaylu investigated, it goes back to him. So, the same Boltonkin, any chila yok, kadek link Russia, kwacha Russia was link Wangler. And you guys know Wangler, it's organization, Hukuma Rusia, in Namake organization, military wing, Chiralui organizer talk, Kwela Balator, Kwe Kajujapai Kaloi, without approval of Hukuma Rusia, or Hukuma Rusia, Ajibandin. Banya Wangler chiba no ka wan ka wadai you guys remember chiba to will disappear ka wadai ball is linked to that so this is one of the reason why in Luka ball and Luka sanction so ball akin haram that fi Juba Sudan the link ke ka Wangler ayen to engu we be ball ko be bloy en ku bagdedi ka again okay ball e bardu en chiba daga strong link ke ga wani Museveni ku ja Museveni himself ko ga ngai ko damages ke cin Museveni ke cika lo panchol Juba Sudan so ani na mam na gunmen furak wada da no ball at this point ball is capable inu ku bakir mayadi bulu safu gabli election in Bralo fi 2026 okay dalil ala zalik ball involvement fi bilpam kaje kolwan kwacha anti mistake cha lo yesterday in my analysis in my video yesterday kaje acha ka waji okay in my video yesterday an la gasattu inu kaje ka lo dismiss 7 or 6 people kaje ka lo dismiss from Bilpam aka ka lo bol ben ka ka lo dismiss all right ko bol la ci balo mushkila ikera anjo pol ngang because you know we pol ngang ko blue ke yen Marshall ki lo force blue ke yen and it happened to be and that's why Marshall was missed. Kind of dismissed ran MI, military intelligence. Okay, and the same thing to others. So kai ke chuko ibilu yen Iran chol church mayor ko jayen polongang. Okay, of course I'm in South Sudan. So I flipped the story yesterday. But what I meant was is the other side. You know kai ke chuko dismissed. Akai ke kalui bol, not the other way around. Okay, akai ke kalui bol ke chuko dismissed. Kai kaga ben engu kene bol kene lu intervene fi bilpa ko kene chelonde engu na alaka bol ke bilpa okay engu alaka bol ke bilpa of course يعني المواطن عادي عندهم علاقة خالص كي military وعندهم علاقة خالص so it's easy for me to mix them but anyways كيان كوي بشوفين كده wait in my analysis yesterday I can flipped but the truth of the story is that majority of people can dismissed because yesterday can dismissed board but in reality na manjamba look to my notes kai dismissed board dismissed including Stephen Marshall rana MI okay so nguche bol ya fi bilpa in a swal bol ran economic cluster. He's supposed to be busy. Kalui finance if you will try to come up with jobs, try to encourage investors, try to see how to improve the economy in South Sudan. The name Bilpa. Okay. Mashi Bilpa. Amelabun, my dear. First of all, yeah, Nigeria military, and I don't have to be a military personnel to come and deliver a message. Okay, I can only deliver the information I have in front of me. So, that is not a crime. So, parat pinyana bai. Okay, chwera chika yeri leko. Yi na mela buni kiken injekang real ichwar ko gablikida. Ko kagi baitin real. Getting ranchi Junuba Sudan majority of them na jeto tayara day. Can I legin kulela mel kaya chi real ichwar ko. But in jebel really yako just because you yena roike again. What a legin kulela kai kakabana Junubin. Today get rande kichuloi kapot be a lui treated ke Junubi. Lakin you decided last time bakang really yako because we cry. Kwaja kang be legin kulela mel Junuba Sudan will not move forward. Kuyin you call yourself as an opposition. Junuba Sudan will not move forward if we protect our family members, if we protect our community members. Junuba Sudan will not move forward. And we know the guy, Rane Chwar, Chuwe Junuba Sudan, kadang contract, Chilum, Kuchen Katayarat, Bikuloike, Kujunubina Chito, fi contracts ke. Alright? Kufini higher, he was not hold accountable. Just recently, and you can hold accountable. Kuyin, Injikang very lieko. I don't understand how you in opposition. And I also don't understand how can we hold you accountable, because there is no need. Bala Kwajiran Kokweran crimes actually committed against innocent people. Quinji very and other people like you, which can very leko. So anyway, we Junubi Eben. We must not stand with him and protect him just because he's from our community. We have to stand and condemn and hold that person accountable because that person is Junubi. That is the only way this country will move forward. That if you really call yourself an opposition. Because an opposition is someone who's going to come and change this country. Not someone who's changing their colors to protect individuals from their community. Okay? It's either you're going to be a community defender or don't lie to people of South Sudan that you're in opposition, because you're not. All right. So going back to the topic, for Yana Wibalwela, Inuran and Char Bolmil, Adeka Jucha Kaloi, Kaga Bolmil, Paul. Okay. Kaga Bolmil, Paul, Bolmil, the mistake at Chibolmil Kachakaloi. Adaka ya Paul Fatland Bukadu Shuk ko Nazi Yibuta Akit. What I didn't Bolmil, Achiban be could behave as even we had president based on the speech Kachikagam, based on the behaviors Kachikaloi, based on his involvement in military, based on activities Keloi Bolmil Kekmati Notkin. Okay? Alright? So Enekui Balwele Kagan. Fa Yan as I told you guys, I never been to South Sudan. I am a very honest person. If I made a mistake or if I made a mistake fee analysis, I am always quick to fix it. I'm not here to mislead anybody. All right, I am a very honest person. What's in my heart is in my tongue, and what's in my tongue is in my heart. Okay, to mislead anybody. أنا بيجينا فعلا إنه أديكم المعلومات اللي عندي وبعدين أنا مواطن عادية so أنت جيش and I don't understand the whole military بتاع South Sudan but مع ذلك أنا بيجينا وبديكم المعلومات اللي أنتوا دايرينه ماشي فأنا ده أقول إنه رانجال اللينا يعني أجن كتلويل كان غلط في كلامه إنما كتلويل بين الصح ما يدل تشي بولميل تشيلوي behave them okay Bolmel involvement في بيلبام Bolmel speeches Bolmel sponsoring أعضاء من دول الجوار to confirm that Kirmayal de Jito Kagabana Kagayuot Inu Bolmel Chokadil he was trying to pretend as if Yen Kenebang because he really confirmed Yen and Chokimaya did Kanyan Jal or Abinyan Jal. Okay, so also my last message will be Yang Ping Bardo. I did message by Yang Ping Ten. The country can go back to I did message by Yang Ping Bardo to Ranchor Bolmel. Yan Tabana Chijama Koluan, Kokaju Japadi, I have a Fahamurat. Lakin Alhamdulillah, Bardo Kaju Japadi, I to prove what I was saying is correct. Now, furtherly, awi balek ranchol bolmel inu bol I was challenging you the other day inu yi ne muchelo fi daira do engo kajalo fi daira do ko fa'lan kalami kan fi mahallo yi ne kin kajalo fi daira do leno na man ji tafakkir engo balo fi daira do kajalo yenaki. Okay, where is it? Okay, kajalo yeki.
Lina pari garu ka wi. Lina pari garu ka wi. Ajan ko ba ya machala? Ko bi cin klera ande yi. Baro wi kada ba pandu chok punya put. Ku chok mi ku pi. Ku ko mi ku panu ma ke ke ladin pingeno. Ku na ja panu chok ku jara mi ku ka pa machala ka cin ke ledin. Ka jora ja ba bi lar gum du jini ali ji chagi de. Ra dile bi lar gum du ji la kin cin bi rin. Kawe.
تمام. أول حاجة أنا جلوم ميت منطق بسنت كيا. بعد بالميل يعني لما جاء يفكر إنه بلوي لميت بايبندين إنه بلوي لميت بارغزال إنه بلوي لميت جنوب السودان لما بالميل فكر يعمل حاجة إنه شيء مكتب بالميل إنه جلوي بالميل مشى كتير كميت كده في السوشيال ميديا ميدوان مفروض بيتا في سكول ميدوان مفروض يكون له مستقبل تمنى ممكن بيسكلي جنا شاطر جنا جميل جنا يستحق يكون في مدرسة فلما بول ميت يفكر إنه ينا كان إن بكون ميد جنوب السودان ينا كان إن بكون ميد بارغزال يموت للوين بول ميل قلت نكوي وهو كليك قام exactly the way he was directed by Ranchol Gorgori last time. Leno yene rana chamato. Achi Gorgori luel gal yi ne chile bi ko nge chin kne gam. Ya na chirande kne gam. So naman bolmil ja fakir e ngule bloy le mid bay penden le mid bar ghazal le mid Juba Sudan ke mid mafrud istahiqu bita fi madaris ke ga chi bolmil ka chikla yewew ashan inu yen bi kaja won ye lu criticize fi social media bi ka belad كسؤال دي رانجور بولميل انا جالو كل لوكي بلي ولا لا بجنوب بن بليو جنوب بن بليو بلاد لينا بريك ايوه نعم انت منطق وايوك من ميدوان كله بقى سيف ميدوان كمفروض بيتا في المدارس ميدوان ممكن نستفيد منهم ميدوان تلي بقى راديكالايز ميدوان تلي بيدورو غلط ودا داينو ميدكو كي غلط في تيك توك whether they don't meet kwa monjing akega radio group okay whether they don't meet kwa they end up with a smartphone in their hands okay and what they do every day it could be kichin yali chak be kichi tik ina tadi okay يعني احنا بنقول كل يوم whether yes we are a victim of Kirmayadi regime لكن قبائل جنوب السودان هولات قبائل جنوب السودان هولات دارين ووق ميت kwa mid kwa ke ajiro koi loy okay mid kwa ke gata fi social media mid kwa ke galat mashi mid kwa ka cho right group ko monje fa badalinu kirma yadi bol استخدم organization that one in loy in chol bol mill foundation of which chen mid be pajen ko is scam I thought en believe used ben ka mid one is the hego bita fi madaris biake lu ke gan sponsor but instead de muchi boloy Bol went kwache boleto bol kuja manager de moy tuj mayadit man bay panda nan denga daw denga nay makertiar okay and a manager bol mel ena ci la tungu ken kam kan la ku yegwe kwache man kene to mit kok adeng man da tin kolwan bardo man shatat jiddan لغة نظيف جدا ما المفروض يستحق يكون في مدرسة لكن ميتك كي قاعد لا يهوه كي قاعد بهلو تكن وكي ميتك وبس not only that ميتك for the last 4 years people are taking advantage of them okay people are taking advantage of them كي قاعد يهوه بيكاي بهلو defend okay كي قاعد كان يهوه قبل كده بيقاتا يواك بهلو defend alright ميتك قبل كده كي قاعد كان يهوه بيكاي كغلو defend akega ka yewe بكاي كيد akega ka yewe بكاي no defend for social media قام يد شطار جدا why do we have to take advantage of them why do we have to use them بيا لادن كده why do we have to ruin our image كو monjing whether they know or the name shilla في social media شيء use إيك يوي بيغلط. alright ليه نحنا نبهدل نفوسنا كقبائلكم كتين ليه؟ لكن للأسف الشديد لما بولمير جاي يفكر إنه ينادى كوي بلوي لمير بارغزال لما جا فكر إنه كده كوي بلوي مير جنوب السودان لما جا فكر قال كده كوي بلوي مير مونجين كي ممكن إلا يهوه كي ممكن إلا يuse جمنا مير كوك كي تاني واقع كان يuse قبل كده بيقبلوا دفن في social media كي ممكن برضو إنبلا يuse كتين so أنا بستغرب اوكي قرن حتى لو انا عندي 5 عيال حتى لو انا عندي 10 عيال اوكي ده نعمة من ربنا لو انا عندي 10 عيال there's nothing wrong with it بالعكس انا حكون سعيدة جدا لو انا عندي 10 عيال السؤال انه لو انا عندي 10 عيال can I sponsor my own kids can I sponsor my own ميتينان بقى used be a source of income to use bad attitude, bad manners في social media could be as a way to support themselves. Okay? So أنا استغربت شديد إنه ين بولميل في النهاية لما نفكر إنه كي نوي بميت بار غزال بكوين كوي بميت جنوب السودان بكوين كي يميت كي يوهو بشان إنه ين بكاجا وين كي لادين or كاجا وين كي لوي criticize في social media بكبلو shut down. Tam na yin ka jo ka ngi matin no mit ka exist jo ngi matin no mit ka exist jo ngi matin wa du yin wi bi jabalu defend ka jo ngi na mit ka exist e ngu kinin ka wi chok ba ka ngi jangu mam ke e ngu kinin ka wi chok ko ba ka ngi no why are they social media 24/7 ke diar ke tet ka tar why you do not ask yourself why are they in social media getting wrecking our reputation ko monja. Why you didn't ask yourself? Enu engule pan mandeng chicken. Engule be pain be juk da sukuli. Engule be pain be muitama be chulu istafid منه. Getting? لكن للأسف الشديد. أنت لما جيت فكرت إنه كيفيا بقولوا يستخدموا فكرت كيفيا to use them for your own benefit. كده كل واحد جلوه الجمان. Getting? لكن أنت لما جيت فكرت في النهاية فكرت to only use them. Not to only benefit from you and benefit from your organization. فأنا شيء مستغرب. دليل على ذلك يعني here is the دليل القاطع. يعني كل واحد يلاقي 60% majority كانوا استخدموا لكن here's another evidence here. Let me find this video. أيوة. Here you go. Okay.
Abi a hostile to community. Abi a hostile to know a very big responsibility. Abi future because majority is majority pop. Majority what you don't be. Who is what you can feel. We chop the by land or chop in the baby. We chop in the jolly by then you up. We chop into jolly gel Lolo Gadia. We chop in with jolly gel to make the week boy. Oh, Papa, put a shampoo upon him. We're number one. What you will, there was a Zara told me. You know, this year, 2025, year for priority at you come. Tin Masharia Pomia. Oh, by our will, or are fortunate. Lan واحد من مشاريع أمنت إن كان في جنوب السودان مشاريع واقعية مشروع أو رئيس سكيل أجل لو يجي من كده تاعي لكن واجب واجب لا باو حتى إذا كوي أبغى أقول أجيب كوي وبفر تجوب تيم يبغى تيمو مالين أقول kunci jalan Santino dengan wall weda hitele medi ngawul bisa aja pe info mi ate tin ke win po ba ya sometimes because rensu kayoke. Utubi in Juba then, Okwajab Juba. A soup, Kabar, a soup great, a Dagwar Nash, if you chapa Jawara in Juba, I'm sure about 70%. It is a big concern. Najukulu, one, you get it. After 20, 30 years, come you start to have friends. I be a hostile to community. I be a hostile to know. A very big responsibility. Who are be future. Because majority is majority come. Majority what you don't wear. Who is quite to appear. We chop a two problem by now, no chocolate like a baby. A chocolate is chocolate by, then you buff. We're chocolate, chocolate below you. Lolo Garo, Lolo Gadia. We're chocolate with chocolate to make below you. Oh, Papa, put a shampoo upon him. We're number one. What you will, he was for me.
Kena Lily Akola Lily Akol, Minister of Agriculture and Food Security. Yeah, the call one I can really 60% in about majority. Like in Jalwe Matin 60%. So in Bolmel, Kene Ache Mushkila Madinga Bulubas. Kene Mushkila da Wogben. A Mushkila da Wogben, Ko Monjang. A Mushkila da Wogben, Ko Junubin. Getting. Kokene ache failure madinga will khalis leenu madinga majority ku mading mid mading ake ga jitore ton kan yabai okay ku population madinga will ache ke mayare che use yati bitore ton kan ich so mid keta fishawara mid a win ke labia hostile in 15-20 years from now kayen 20 chuk tok dot 20 is we don't need to go there. Learn to look for clubhouse matin ke facility e luel Madam Lily e bain. Getting e bain. من أخلاق من أسلوب من سوى التربية من سوى الأخلاق من سوى الأسلوب من سوى كل شيء. سو نحن ما منتظرين 20 سنة. أشوك تين. أنا شايفين كتير كيف في تيك توك. ماشي؟ فنحن محتاجين 10 سنة 5 سنة. أشوف واتين تان. أوكي. So كني أشي مشكلة ما دينا أول بولمل. كني مشكلة دووك. مشكلة دووك including myself and Lina Parek. مشكلة دووك أو ميزمونجي. تتين. أشي مشكلة ما دينا أول توك. Alright. ما دينا أول is going through what is going through. لأنه ما دينا أول majority ما دين أشي طهر بيوبن. Miketa fi shaware ami chi worken chike realden chike pirden chike gagam kutoke kwa chin nazam chikolokting aliu okay nazam chikolokting aliu alright ke gadang mantin makwe jana halatu jiddan jana له مستقبل jana شاطر يعني منا تاو في إعلام كوغو بن نستفيد منه منا تاو في إعلام ما من لبجا بي use to defend people لكن منا تاو في إعلام كان هنا نستفيد منه okay so كاجي كواجي ندوك there are so many of them كني أكيد غلطة مدينة أول as a society أكيد غلطة مدينة أول as a state كني a problem that was there in our all states this is going to be a problem كلنا رانيو كيري a problem في مدين is because مدين majority كمدين نجتور كتين كمدين is the one that lost the most and the reason why أنا قوة تنكري ينديد لكلا it is because they have fought so much for this country كميتكر متين كا أجلو دونك ضحايا متيان عنيور majority of it أمين مدين أول كديار كنتا كتنو ميت كنتا كدي ماشي دران تكلوكتي دران كليك ما هي لا سو كني أجا غلطة فأنا بحديك أنا بتحداك إيران شال بولمل يعني أنت لما تجي تفكر إنه يين كوي بميت كوك ميت كوانا بار غزال كوي بقى لو يوز كتين كجوابه لويلا كوي بقى يوز عشان بقى لو ديفند ممكن ما كوي يوه كلاجة ما كوي ناس كولج ممكن ما كوي يوه كلاجة ما كوي يين منتين شاطرة باي You deserve bala sukuli ke kwel kuliyete ilam. E mukire la gela yana will sponsor everything you need. Pana bundu abalu sponsor. I kini kala pana bun ke blikida, I will sponsor it from grade 1 all the way to University of Juba. E mukire lo kia. You didn't. Na majid fakarta eno yin kade kuy balu mid baragazal, uy da kuy balu mid monjang, uy balu mid Juba Sudan, eta jid fakarta fishno, eno kubaw baka yewe. عشان انه بيكاي كلوين criticize في social media بقى بلوي shut down. وزمن كده بن ينتيان كيك زمن كده بن organization دون جانغاي توك انجول بولميل فاونديشن اكيد ما تنو يستفيد ام يتكارو بس كده تاكلوا sponsor and then after that the organization became a scam. Where is it? So yin او بلاقين لا kai ke lui criticize a shi kabille walat jatin ginubu ben na ci balad lina pare gala balad lakin na do wara won against you bakalat no ra won that against you bakalat 63 tribe ke da mushkila yin bakalle wala le ben ko the same swal wi batie manager do dengana makertiar wona daw wi batie akwarwa okay yin wega bandu your boss junub ke ben balu sekatu lelet. Alright? You've been calling me for my WhatsApp. What will you and Hadadu? You are either بتحددني بتحدد أقل مشاعر بتحدد رانشول كده جوك اللي هو جي بوي. أوكي؟ كاي كبنا كلو كحددو أي وانا أمون جين على بقولو حددو لكن أقبل جنوب السودان بن بيتو غلط بما كوي بكلا دبن بميت كوك تاكا يوه في social media بكلا دبن be supporters who be kaladabin achibuto galat. It's not going to finish. And you are the only vice president of his kind. Elatun kuleka ubimid because you use bikailat for social media. Akira anjo riek mashar akiloy. Riek mashar achilat by Junubin 64 drive. Kuriek mashar achiranje kang dom. Acham kai belat. Ranjo taban dengai. Kaya vice. Actually criticized by many. Ajira kang ye weo. Ajin mi the noor chika ye weo. Ajin mi the monjang chika ye weo. Ajin mi the door chika ye weo. Achan bekai belat. Ranjol nyedeng mabiur. Nyedeng garang mabiur. Ele huwa madam nyandeng mama nyandeng. Ajin lad. Ajilu accused. Ajira kang ye weo. Achan belu defend. Ranjol Hussein Abdul Bagi achiran kina lat ran kina lat kida mafi kuyena kilatin kulwele gala wal gharif al mawdu zaman mbiyen ke vice aba fi zaman enta TikTok enta yentin aba fi zaman enta Facebook tin okay aba fi zaman enta Instagram enta yentin ubeda kullu akin we topping beda group en bebelo defend. The only person that I remember until we're dropping a Jambelu defend for social media era Jol. The only person that I know until organization law for social media era Jol Gorgori Wasil. Okay? Any organization law. Kaka monjing to organization law. Rande de ana bordo I remember ye lui defend a pay lakini kika yewe era Jol Kolkor. Ukayi ka Kolkor lui defend his own his own staff from national security. Ake kairiaj, ake akai lad, ake akai loidi. Lakin those were from his own department. Lakin achira anjakang yewe from those children keda for social media biake kai lad. You are the very first kujata nyewek. Okay? Lakin yin bezad you are the very first. You are the very first vice and you baby to take advantage of the children get off social media to use them big by defend. Fayana we yin the last time bin jata what are deka we be Juba Sudan ka we back coin. What did you do? Kone kita lagi call one yin bol milling chamatok. Getting yani yin the day you decide that you want to take advantage instead of helping the children ke mit keloka you use me the one we are proud of. Getting me the one we are proud of. Yeah, Lena Parektan, I am very proud of Mountain John Makwe. Leno fell and the kid is very smart. man deserve you we ben kala sukuli 100%. Okay, kwa che yede tok mit ko ya bardo. All right, lakin don't take advantage of mit ko ok ta fi social media baba le ka we ka ba use be ka ya lo insult mit ka ga ju ka lo right I will ka lo encourage could be do sukuli and make the best out of themselves. All right, so ene ku balwele ka ken tene ka ye lwele line pare gidaru mit ju japai ya na bashku rabbana lo rabbana falana dani even ma ya yake 20 ana bashku rabbana jiddan. All right, olo kudel ke yan ba kamuk ka wetie yan wetie ke ba ka koin because me da kira ndo gani muk. Okay, it take a village to raise a child. So luana felen daga no mit ge kir kage kwa cha dala mok ka we ba ka tie ban inu ku ba wo koin ukada ngaben ku ba ka koin ku ba kamuk. So there is no shame in that. There is no shame in that. Lakin, for us to take advantage of our children on social media, could be me the one because I use me the lat, me the one boy summa the right ko monjang on the kadang taken in a yoga change. So kayin bolmel law organization chol bolmel foundation organization kan ngor tayentin kaya nyar ba mi ka pakalu sponsor kutaka support. Not only to sponsor the education, sponsor ya kaman baran baya ngain kushuk. Getting, please, baran baya ngain kushuk. Okay, baran baya ngain kushuk kujola la sukuli. Fa work by ene kan bayan taken. I can't say everything even in one show ya Juanda. Today again kidong way kaba balwen tomorrow. I'm still off today and I'm off tomorrow. Lakin kan bayan katin na bayan mabalwen la inu ran chol bolmil speech and chiran chol lena yanchi gam. There was nothing wrong with it at all. So ade kuija ade kadang kichang mantin kaya yoga ching chira mantin. It is bone meal behavior any annual chogadi whether the inuyen kawij bia vice. Okay, I check here kaya yoga bone meal cannot take advantage of the situation kulora dinu kayena bang wide zaman de ngot kiben. So other than that we got more than go as I said bone meal, think about it. Okay, think about it. Don't take advantage of our children and don't ruin our image ko monje taken for social media. Oge kalat karijiben, oge kalat tribalism, oge kalat hukuma ta denka, oge kalat no yen kadang inu ne na vaslin. Lakin if you reach the point inu yin mi ka ba use for social media ya bardu kaya yo gonna chapat. So please let us benefit from your benefits ku jen ka mi ka daka sukuli rather than encouraging them to do what is not right. So edit ban content ka kan whereby. Thank you very much for watching.